Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will share about the concept of nature in Islamic science teaching. The main reason why Al-Quran asks the people to think about the nature is because the nature is the medium for them to recognize Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As we know that in the Al-Quran, Allah said that, and we do not create the heaven and earth and what is between them in vain. That is the opinion of those who disbelieve. In this case, that we must be able to believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in whatever conditions, and also by seeing the creatures in the world. Everything is creatures created in the universe that should be believed by the people that it is created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the most important concept of nature in Islamic lies on the key terms ayah for singulars of ayah for plural. The term that regularly appears when the Holy Quran speaks about the nature. Ayah basically means symbols or signs. The symbol means that a thing or even that represents or is submitted to the something else. And we know that everybody, Al-Quran is the holy book for the Muslims, so it can be the signs for them to think, to decide, and everything that is considered by lying on the Al-Quran Al-Karim. Islam does not totally refuse this the perspective of science. Indeed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allows human to take advantage on the nature in order to create prosperity and to protect their lives, as long as they do not violate the 100 years ago Islamic civilization had shown how science has used for curing people, constructions, building, and cities, developing agriculture, producing and shipping various beneficial tools, creating military equipments, predicting movement of the suns and the moon, and many more. So everybody, in this case, that we believe that Islam's always side by side by the developing of the modern in terms of science. So everything is stated and also is supported and also allows by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to follow the developing and also to make anything possible, and also the new things in our life in order to support our life. So this is a very important of the natures of Islam in science teaching. So I hope that everybody, this short video can open our mind that it means that Islam is never left behind. So this is the idea. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.